To begin, make sure you have the Sass and next-sass packages installed in your Next.js application. These packages allow you to pre-process your style sheets with Sass, a powerful CSS extension language. To install these packages, run npm install, save sass and npm install, save at next-sass in your terminal. Next, we've defined a Sass function called calculateResponsiveSize. This function takes two parameters, a minimum size for mobile screens, and a maximum size for desktop screens. Here, a map of breakpoints and their corresponding sizes is defined. This map is used to dynamically set font sizes depending on the viewport sizes. Within the function, we declare an empty map named $result to store the final font sizes for each breakpoint. We then iterate over each breakpoint and size pair in the $sizes map, merging them into $result. The map merge function helps us combine these key value pairs effectively. The function finishes by returning the $result map, which now contains our responsive size values. Moving on, we define a mixin named responsive font size. A mixin in Sass allows you to create reusable styles that can accept parameters. This mixin leverages our previously defined calculateResponsiveSize function and takes three parameters: the CSS property to apply, the minimum size, and the maximum size. Inside the mixin, we first call calculateResponsiveSize with the provided min and max sizes to get our responsive font sizes. We then loop through each breakpoint and size pair in the resulting map. For each pair, we create a media query using the breakpoint and apply the size to the passed CSS property like font size. This results in CSS that adapts to different screen sizes. To use our mixin, we apply it to a selector like element. Here, we're setting font size to scale responsively from 1 rem on mobile screens to 2 rem on desktop screens. The @include directive is used to include the mixin, passing it the CSS property and the minimum and maximum sizes desired. And that's how you can leverage Sass functions and conditionals in a Next.js application to create dynamic, responsive styles. By combining the power of Sass with responsive design, you can achieve a more flexible and maintainable style sheets for your web project.